Hey guys, today we're working on a 2006 Silverado 4.6, crappy little engine, but we're going to do the front brakes on it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to rotate that out, and we're going to take the bolts off the back, okay? So, we're going to take the caliper off, and let's start with that. Got that loose. Alright, so we're going to get the calipers, move it in. Okay, the two bolts are loose, the caliper. I think I got it loose enough to get it out. Okay, squeeze that in. Okay. There we go. And these have those. Oh, I think they're actually yellow and not. We're going to use the piston caliper tool. If you don't have one, get one. Just kidding. It really does save your time. And let's see. Okay, looks like it's going in. It's a lot tighter than I like though, but it's going in. Okay, that was a little bit hard, but the rubber looks good. No dips. That's good. We'll just set that on top because there's plenty of room here, okay? Now we're going to take the pads off. Let's take a look. These have some really ugly wear patterns on them. Pad looks okay, but there's some destruction. And he says it's been squealing, but it hasn't hit the wear sensor yet. But there is some very bad wear on the pads, so we're going to change those out. Let's take the bracket off, and then we'll get the wheel off. So, nice. Both are the same size, 18. Okay, there we go. Okay, bolts out. We'll clean this up. Okay, on the wheel. Not right now though. And then let's take the rotor off. I gotta get a Torx for that. So we got a Torx bit holding it on. So we're gonna get that out. There we go. All right, there we go. Get that out.
Size Torx with it.
This one? I don't know, man. It was 30. Okay, that looks pretty good. And it looks nice and clean underneath. That's good. They'll take some brake clean and clean it off because it doesn't look bad though. It looks nice and clean. Oh yeah, those are brand new hubs that we installed. Y'all remember that one, I hope. And these hubs look really, really clean. So that's pretty good. Okay. But we're probably going to take the wheel to it. There's a little bit of debris.
Is that just for smooth on and off later down the line?
Yeah, that's just to get all the, well, there's some junk on it. So I just want to make sure that that junk's gone. Hit it with some brake fluid. Make sure that it's nice. Grant's supposed to bring his truck. I haven't brought it. He hasn't brought it though.
When was he supposed to bring it?
Who was supposed to bring it? He was supposed to bring it yesterday. But it's not here. All right. The guy spent extra money and got nice coated rotors. That's nice. It's nice to see when somebody spends the money, huh? So we don't always go for cheap. So we're gonna clean that off just a little bit because I got a little bit of grease on there, but that's okay. All right, that looks good, huh? Yep. All right. All right. And we're gonna put torque set back in there. So now we don't have to use a bolt to hold the piece in. There we go. Doesn't even have to be that tight. Okay, that's good. All right, now we're gonna work on the bracket. Okay, I'm gonna go to the wheel and I'll be right back. Did you get hardware for this thing, by the way?
This is next. Leave in the comments you want him to replace my CV axles. Help me out, YouTube. Put it in the comments. You gotta leave that in there.
All right, guys. So what I did was I ran the ears through the wire wheel, and then I ran a file over it to make sure we get all the good stuff out. And what we're going to do is we're going to check the pins because that's so important. Make sure that there's nothing going on. Put a little bit of juice on it. Clean it off. There we go, nice and clean. Put a little bit of purple lubie on it. Don't go crazy. There we go. And we're going to stick that baby right back in there without pushing it down. There we go. And then we make sure that it moves nice and freely. There we go. We'll do the other one too. You know you got to bring your wife's, right? We got to do that again.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. Here we go. Do the front pin. Put that in there. I'm not going to overgoob it. And then just make sure the seats and move smoothly. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to lube the bottom before we put the new hardware in. Okay. So I'm going to get the brush out here because it's nasty grease, but it looks good. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit here on any of the mating surfaces. Do that. Mating surfaces. All right, that's it. Now we're going to put the new hardware on it. All right, where's the hardware? Good job. All right, brand new hardware. Love new hardware. A lot easier than cleaning up the old hardware. So, usually these things go only one way. Let's see if we can figure that out. There we go. There we go. And now we can, oops, magnet. Okay, we can put that back on. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little bit of blue Loctite on that so it doesn't come loose, okay? So we can still get it apart, but
What's the difference between the blue and the red? Loctite.
blue's removable. Red's supposedly permanent, they say. All right, so the bracket's on, and it has been tightened really tight. You can find a torque spec if you want somewhere. All right, so the blue Loctite's on, we're good. Let's put the pads on it. There's the one with the wear. We're gonna put that on the inside. There we go. The regular one we're gonna put on the outside. There we go. And then we're going to bring the caliper back down, make sure the hose is swung around right. Everything's greased. There we go. Okay, let's get the bolts on that. And that all done. And that's it. Don't forget to pump your brakes when you're done. And don't forget to seat your brake rotors when you're done too, to the pads, so that you have a decent life out of them afterwards. But other than that, just give it a nice wipe down. I just gotta get that out there because it's bothering me.
How do you seat your brake rotors?
Yeah. Depends on the manufacturer, but mostly you gotta do multiple increasing hard braking, usually working up from about 20 miles to 25, all the way up to about 50. And then that should heat them up nice, and they should make nice contact, and you should be good to go. Let's tighten that up. That ought to do it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And remember, wait for the next one. And I know the videos are coming slow, but during the COVID section, but thank you for subscribing. And we'll see you again on the next adventure, okay? Take care now. Bye.
Next adventure, 2006 Chevrolet 1500 CVX.